Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the Z32 Workshop. I'm Z James, and this is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX parts car. Last episode, we took off the channels that hold on the rubber gaskets for the seals for the A-pillars and the roof. Today we're going to take off this end cap, this roof cap here. I'm hoping anyway. I think you just gotta wiggle it. And then, honestly, I gotta clean. I know I've been saying it for episodes now. I gotta get this stuff picked up, get this organized, to get it taken care of. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have got so much to clean here. Not really, I just gotta organize it. You know, this is stuff from the A-pillar, from the windshield. This is stuff from the interior, some of the roof mechanism for the top, some vents, and then honestly all of this, which is the seats, and this mess here I gotta get cleaned up, and then I gotta get that body harness, which I got out, put away. I just gotta get it all moved around so I get some maneuverability in here, so I can get this door off, and then probably clean up the interior a little bit just because I've got stuff from the other episode. So today is just going to be a small project with this and then actually doing everything else. So let me get back to it again. That's what today's episode is. You'll probably see a lot of time-lapse stuff on this one. So yeah, let's go. Hey, and thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hope you guys find this informative and educational for yourselves and be able to use it for later on in other projects. So, all right, let's get this project started. All right, just using a normal pry bar tool, pry this up, see if I can get this loose. And it is wiggly. I think this is really glued in, more or less, is my sneaking suspicion, but I'm trying not to wreck it because I'd like to hang on to all this stuff. I think these trim pieces are neat. I think it'd be useful later down the road. So let me put you on time lapse while I work on all of this. Alright, I got the trim piece off and the other two ends. Let me show you what that looks like. I did end up breaking the long one across, not breaking it, but the clips that hold it in. I think you could repair them. I may see if I could save this stuff to try it. I'll show what I'm talking about here in a second. This. So we get that to focus in on for you guys. Is what's broke. See how they pull out there? This one didn't want to let go. And these have got a rubber seal going on all the way across the top. And I mean all the way across. As you can see, that one there and this one here broke. The end caps actually came off easily. They're just really well glued in with some type of sealant right here and there. I'm hanging on to those. That's what these look like right here. This one's still got a piece of rubber on it, but these are the end caps. I've been told, or at least I've looked a little bit, these are really hard to find because I think they're unique to the convertibles. As you can see, this big piece came off rather nicely. Only problem is, you see how these things go into there? That one ripped out, and that one ripped out. So I'm going to try pulling those out and saving them. I may even try to epoxy them right away to give this something a structure to be able to use. So that's going to be it for today's. Hang on, I'm gonna get flipped around. That's going to be it for today's, like me actually doing something to the car. The rest of the video is going to be me just time-lapsing, picking all this up to do stuff to get cleaned. So I can get, because honestly, that, I mean, other than I keep on talking about that fuel door over there, or the fuel access, is the last thing I really need to do for this side, and then it's the back side. Then it's just the doors. Doors will come off next. Then I can get the car pulled on out, spun around, and then I can do work on the rear end of the car, which will be get the wiring out, get the bumper off, and probably drop the whole rear subframe, because I'm hanging on to that before I chop the car up. And then after that, it's going to be turning into full disassembly mode. As in, if I pull it apart, it's coming, this whole thing's getting cut up out of here. So anyway, that's it for today's, other than me cleaning. So let me get you guys turned around, time lapse, and you can see me buzz around here with some classical music, rock maybe, hip hop. I'm not for sure. I'm finally figuring this stuff out a little bit for the video editing. So, all right, let me just get you guys going. Everybody, this should be after the time lapse. I've been doing some cleaning, organizing. I'm going to call it quits for today. It's 90 plus degrees in this garage today. Summer decided to show its face here again. So just doing some cleanup. After looking at this a little bit, I am not going to take that door off yet. I am actually going to start working on all the front subframe stuff. So I'll show you guys how to take off the tension rods, all the rear ball joints, all that. I'll just remove that so you can know how to do that. Game plan will eventually be slicing this thing up afterwards when we're done. But the videos will come a little bit slower right now. I know I'm doing one a day, and I still will to get work. One thing I want to show you that I'm not happy with myself at all about, and you probably saw it in the video, is let me get you flipped around, or at least not looking at me anyway. And you guys will see it here. I got these tail lights. That one's crap. Center panel's good. This guy was actually pretty decent until you see this corner. That's because I was foolish enough to put it right here, and I caught it with my shorts and knocked it off and broke a chip off. I'm not happy. I just wanted spares to begin with. I know they're not great, and I'll probably go to JDM style here. I thought I'd make some out of these, give it a try, just to see how it went, to see if I liked them. I've seen other people do it, so I'm not happy with that. That is nothing but my problem. I did it. It's my boo-boo. It's frustrating when you do that. So, once again, if you guys made it to the end of the video today, I know I didn't do a whole lot. I got a little bit off the top rail. Did a lot of organizing time-lapse, so hopefully you guys enjoy the music on it. Just so you guys know, I will be selling these seats. They will be on sale for the Facebook trade groups. Coming up here yet tonight, or for you, would have been yesterday, because this will be up a day late from where I'm at. But as you can see, I'm getting things organized. Hang on to you. I will still hang on to those lights just to have spares. To me, it's worth it. I mean, I'm not going to get much for them now anyway, since they're pretty much garbage. Center panel's nice, but that's about it. The rubber, I am actually going to either get another tote for, or I might just put them in a plastic bag. I haven't decided yet. I might get a small tote for them just so I can see them, keep an eye on them, so I know what they are. And that all that stuff is going to go up high, like a bunch of the stuff I already have. Sorry about making this thing spin around a lot, but up into the rafters so it gets out of the way. That's today's video. If you made it to the end, please, thank you. I appreciate it. I hope you guys find any of this informative. But all I do know is this is making me keep the project going, make sure I don't stop on it, because to be honest with you, that thing is going to be gone. This is going to be cleaned up before winter. Because my wife's car's got to park here. This spot, right where I'm at, right here. So this is where I got to be able to park in the wintertime to get it cleaned up. So once again, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, let me know. If you words of encouragement, my response always is spend an hour, guys. 1 hour every day does a lot of work. And guess what? Exercise. By doing this, I've already lost like 5 pounds. That's just me being not lethargic. So it's awesome. So, all right. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.